YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Pico.Blurred, back again with another vlog. I'm at work right now. I had to come here because I had to drop off a package that I didn't deliver yesterday. I should have delivered it yesterday after my job, but I was lazy. I just wanted to come home because it would have been out of the way to come back to the warehouse and then go home. So I just went home, and then they let you deliver the package in the morning. I gave up my shift last night for this morning because I didn't really feel like working. I stayed up with my wife. We were playing games or whatever. I didn't really feel like coming in the morning, but then I remembered I have a package I got to bring back. And you could get penalized, and you can even lose your job if that happens so many times if you don't deliver back the packages. I always do deliver back the packages, but you have to do it. You have to do it, or else they can warrant a quote unquote firing, I guess. So I forgot that I had to deliver the package again back to the warehouse, so I'm here. And luckily I got a shift. I scheduled a shift for like right now, so I'm chilling. You guys are kind of sleepy. If you haven't checked out this job, Amazon Flex, you guys are kind of sleeping on it. It's pretty good money as it is anyway. The other day I made $200 in one day, within what, 8 hours, which is nuts. It's crazy. Sometimes it does have its ups and downs, you know. Sometimes they be sending you places and it kind of sucks, but you can get trouble with any job. And I know any other job isn't paying you that much, especially for like a regular person. You know, I'm not an engineer, I'm not a doctor, I'm not making all this super amount of money. So for what it is, I'm making a decent amount without having to do much. It's pretty good if you haven't considered doing it. A couple things. I'm supposed to have a haircut, maybe 2 today. So once I get home, I'll get my clipper set up, and then we can go do a before and after. Big plans. My chair, my new chair that I ordered that I told you guys about in another video, it should be here tomorrow. So I'm super excited about that to show you guys. We'll get the unboxing, we'll get it put together, and then we'll reveal the chair, let you know what I got. I'm super excited. Hopefully it shows up tomorrow. I'm crossing my fingers it shows up tomorrow because I'm super excited. But that's gonna be what this video is today. Just working, getting home, getting that haircut done, and then yeah, we'll figure out from there. So let's go get these deliveries done, and I'll catch you guys back at the house.
Oh my god, is that Pico.Blurred?
Alright, y'all, if you guys have seen my other videos, then you already know what's about to happen. We had to say hi to the Timber. Timber, come here. You guys say hi to YouTubes, man. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Hello. Is that my Timber? Yeah. Yeah. Drop a comment if you love Timber. Do they love you, Timber? I don't know, man. They gotta drop some comments. Leave some likes if they like you, bro. Anyways, I'm about to go get my stuff set up. My guy's coming over for that beard trim. We're gonna get my stuff ready, and then we're gonna get him in, get him out of here. So I'll catch you guys when he gets here. All right, guys, I got my client in the chair. He's just getting a beard trim today, beard edge up, beard shape. Get it from looking crazy. We're gonna get him clean. Former U.S. Army vet. Gotta pay respect and love to it. Tell me a little about the military. You enjoyed it while you were in?
Damn, I miss it, bro. I miss it. I wish I was still in.
Much love and respect to you guys, for sure. But guys, I just want to tell you, don't join the military. This is what's going to happen to your hair. No, I'm just playing. Military is a great avenue if you're thinking about joining the military. Great benefits and great all around kind of life experience. So, but anyways, we're going to get him taken care of, and then we'll show you that after.
Proud of your boy.
All right, y'all. So we ended up cutting his hair on top anyway. Just make it easier for him. He doesn't have to go home and do it. But this is the final result. Cleaned up, edged up. Looking a little bit more tame, not as crazy. He's ready to go to work,
Hell yeah.
ready to show out. How'd you think of it?
Proud of your boy, man. Looks good.
All right, you
Looks
heard it here
great.
first. All right, y'all, I'm finished with the haircut. Turned out super dope. He loved it. Got paid for it, of course. You know we had to make our money. But I want to talk to you guys about how much I'm making per day, how much I make per week, just off of Amazon Flex and barbering. If you want to maybe consider going into Amazon Flex and barbering as a side time kind of thing. So most of the time, how it works is for Amazon Flex, they send out blocks and it's first come, first serve. Now I've been doing it for a bit now, so I have perks for doing, a certain amount of deliveries and getting, my standing is pretty high. So I get extra perks. Like, for example, they'll send me a block and I have 30 minutes to reserve it throughout the week. So if they send me a block, for instance, for Monday in the morning that I preferred schedule, 8 in the morning till 12 p.m., I get 30 minutes if I want to choose that block that they send me. Otherwise, it's kind of like a first come, first serve type of thing. So schedules pop up and you have to try to reserve that schedule. So you are creating your own schedule. They do have a lot of schedules, so you shouldn't have a problem getting any work. They're always pushing out schedules. Now it depends on the pay. Most of the times I'm getting pay that's $97 or more, $97 per block. And that block is usually 5 hours. I usually finish in 4 hours. And then I try to get another block in the evening for the same. So 5 hours, $90. So I'm making anywhere between $180 and $200 per day. And I try to work every day, mix along some barbering in there. That's pushing $1,400 a week. That's $200, $180 to $200 in less than, 9-10 hours, because I usually finish early. So 200 in less than, we'll say 10 hours. It's a lot. It's a lot, and that's every day. So that's how I'm making between $900 and $1,400 a week. Sometimes, I feel a little sick and I'll call out, but I still work every day. So I'm pushing, upwards of anything over 700 I'm making. So if you want to make 700 a week, easy. If you want to push more and work harder, you can easily make 1,400 a week. So that's kind of the thing. Like I said, it's great if you're thinking about doing it. Sign up for Amazon Flex, because you get to build your own schedule. You don't have to work that long, and you're getting paid a decent amount, a good amount. Where else are you gonna make $200 a day in 8 hours? I mean, come on. Like even some of the ones in the morning, they'll push it up. So let's say I get a $90 shift or a $97 shift in the morning from, we'll say 8:15 to like 1:15, 8:15 to 1:15. And so you make your $90, you do it in about 4 hours. In the evening, they could give you a $90 shift for 3 hours. So you'll finish in like 2 to 3 hours. That's 6-7 hours and you just made $200. So, if you ask me, I think it's pretty good. Sometimes they do be sending you far out places and it kind of sucks, but you're still getting paid a lot. It's worth it in my opinion. And then add barbering on top of that, so you're making extra money. You know what I mean? But anyways, that's just a little bit more in depth of my job and how I'm making that amount of money. So with my chair, I didn't realize it, but it's supposed to be coming in tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video. Hopefully over the weekend, I get to set up my chair, videotape that, and then show you guys the chair. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can stay updated on my video drops. Leave a like, leave a comment on this video. Try to guess what type of chair I got in the comments, like what color, the style. Drop some comments. Drop some comments of like if you have a chair that you think is good for you. This chair that I'm using right now, here I'll get up and kind of videotape it. Like I said, it served its use, but it's over with. I got a more expensive chair, a more premium chair for the barbering. This one I'm gonna be selling. So if you are in the RDU NC area, more over Holly Springs area, hit me up. Drop a comment, follow me on Instagram, DM me. Let me know if you want this chair. It's definitely a great beginner chair, especially if you're kind of on a budget and you don't have a chair. This has hydraulics, it leans back, everything. So for $100, you know, you could have this chair. Yeah, but anyways, like I said, stay tuned for that chair unboxing and putting together and final review. And that's gonna do it for this video. Go check out my other videos if you haven't already. I have a bunch of tutorials up. I have a bunch of vlog type of content up. Go and check them out. Leave some likes, leave some comments. I'd love to talk to you guys on this platform. But anyway, it's your boy Pico.Blurred, and I'm out of here for the day. Peace.